to see everybody at IBIE.
We're sampling some fresh panettone, some mascarpone, soft serve ice cream, and a lot of others. Looking forward to seeing you at the booth.
This is an amazing show. We have incredible teachers, international teachers. It is an incredible, incredible chance for you to get really, really good at what you like to do.
I have a bakery in Ghana. I'm so excited to be part of this program. It's giving me a lot of opportunities for networking and getting myself rolling in the baking industry.
Make sure to stop by booth 6827 and pick up one of these fantastic Shelly shirts.